Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody posted on Facebook. Somebody's already answered it, and so I thought I'd do a video and just kind of let my subscribers or viewers know about it. QR code is a trademark for a type of matrix barcode, basically. And I've never really played with this or done this, but it's so simple. And if a customer ever wants it on their product, I think it just started in Corel X8, and I'm using 2018, so it definitely has it. But if you go to Arrange, insert QR code, and it's going to insert a code, and will also open up a Docker, and this code is for CorelDraw.com. Now, you can write your own website, and I wrote my website, so I'm going to just take this one, make a duplicate of it, Control D, and I'm going to change this one to my website, Express Yourself Austin.com, and hit enter. And it created this QR code, and if you can see, the other one I have is identical to the one I did earlier. Now, I don't have any kind of code reader that will read that to see if it works, but evidently it's true because it's different than the Corel Draw. So it's generating them, and this is a vector file, crisp, clean, and the possibilities are endless, I think. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.